Dude, all these second gens, they always have the hood open. Because all they do is brake.
By sheer coincidence.
Already blew something up. That sounds terrible. Smoking out the whole fucking street. Fucking smoking like crazy. Hey! Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. Holy shit. Woo! I hope so. It's fucking hot right here. Holy shit.
Turbo's fucked. That turbo's blocked.
Holy
you
shit.
see the fucking pop?
Dude, fucking blew flames out the back.
Unless he blew the head off of it.
Oh, I hope.
You blow the head off of it.
Shit.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, turbo's fucking blown.
Oh, I thought it'd be hot as fuck.
No, turbo's blown.
How long have I on this? 24 hours?
Watch.
You did it, buddy.
This turbo's blown.
Nice.
That's what that whining
15
was.
grand, I know what I have.
The bearing.
The fuck is that smell?
Show her the video.
Easily worth 15 grand now. It shoots flames.
This is fucking awesome.
Blew up the truck after 24 hours of owning it. That's a brand 24 valve type thing.
Look at my yard.
Broken. Missing parts. Hey, this one runs good now. This is the best one run here.
That thing was shitting and getting, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was moving, and then I tried to keep up, and I blew my fucking turbo.
80 grand in second gen.
80 grand in second gens.
Oh, do you hear all these horse ponies, Gabe?
Gets it. The pole. I think my truck's gotta be so big I can't these. What do you think they are?
What are they?
6 footers? 480.
4060s, dude.
God. The wheel size of my tire.
Literally.
Yeah, we need one of those. Thing's spinning. Surprised those 6-footers don't just dig.
Ain't got no goddamn 4x4 and I goddamn John Deere.
You got no front drive shaft?
I'm freaking sliding around in the mud.
Goddamn. No. Well, Brandon, we got us a frame. Kind of. I mean, it's not home yet, but like, we got it.
Ready to roll.
Now that the turbo's blown, obviously we needed a new motor because you can't you can't even just replace a motor. So we bought this. What this is probably like a 350 gasser, something like that. Diesels are overrated. You don't need a Cummins nowadays. No. The last video said I bought a Cummins. I mean, I had a Cummins for a day. Now it's got to be a gasser.
The last video is you haven't even posted the last video.
Well, they don't know that. Hey, what do you got to say to the guy that put a screw in your tire or a bolt in your tire at Myrtle Beach?
I'll fill this tire with bolts. It don't matter. Damn.
Brandon on the way here.
Playing on my damn phone. I mean, watching the road.
Watching the road, smacked a few curbs, and you know, these are not supposed to be like curvable. And you curved them.
The front should curve if anything.
No, the front cleared.
You could annihilate. Oh damn, I did curve this.
Oh, a little bit. But like, you annihilated the rear. And
this is like a joke to so many people, like a legend to so many people, but really.
Hey, this truck looks a little familiar.
This thing used to have a 6.5 Detroit in it, and it probably blew up because it's a piece of garbage. And they were smart and put a 12 valve in it.
Wait. Cummins turbo diesel, but it's a Chevy with a hood stack? What's up with that?
Roll it forward some more.
Dang. Thick. Need some boggers. Imagine this on some boggers. That'd be nasty. Imagine this on boggers with a Cummins swap. Wait, whoa, I have one of these.
Short bed.
You're right. We don't rock short bed. Whoa, short bed dual. Yeah, we're not doing that. Idiot. Idiot. What are you doing? What?
See, you ain't got the 3 cameras. I do, so I'm gonna let you use my 3rd camera on your 2 cameras.
No, it'll be 5 cameras.
Theoretically, yeah.
Yeah.
If you zoom in.
So it's better.
Yeah, a little bit. Alright, turn the video. That fucker is touching the rim.
Goddamn bridge nail.
Jesus, railroad spike. Oh my god.
Damn. Make a necklace. Oh my. Yeah, that's.
Gabe Farrell fucking Productions. I retake that video.
Yeah, I'd say that's pretty messed up. God damn it, Brandon. What exactly are you trying to
Loose.
Well, no shit, but pounding with a hammer ain't gonna
trying to
tighten it
tighten
up.
Then we gotta change the turbo out.
Yeah, you just pound that in. Oh.
I think we'll be good now.
Oh yeah. Doesn't move at all. Got the old turbo completely out. Trash. Noise.
Trying to go fishing.
Playing the doctor game or whatever.
It's fucking
You know.
oh, operation.
Yeah. With the fucking turbo.
She's gonna spray. Sucker's full of mud. Time for a new motor.
Why'd you put concrete in your freaking intercooler? Fuck 6 blow. Coolant flush.
I need to play it a little safer, I think. Okay, we gotta play it a little safer.
Hello? Idiot. Idiot! Hey, this one don't
This one don't
narrow.
slide around.
Yeah, this one don't shoot flames out the exhaust. Holy shit! Turbo's in. Hey Brandon, how's the oil?
Checking it. And I already added a gallon.
Needs a longer dipstick. Definitely needs a longer dipstick.
Or just cut this one and grab another one I have and extend it?
Yeah, yeah. Weld it.
Okay.
We good. Ain't no free promotion here.
Freaking delivery valves.